Hi kids, happy morning. How are you all? I hope you are all safe and healthy. Today we are going to see grade 3 science. In that we are going to learn very interesting lesson. What is the picture has given? Birds. Isn't it? Yes. Our lesson name also birds only. Okay children, I want to ask you one thing. Do you like birds? Yes. Good. Everybody like birds, isn't it? Children, how much of birds did you see? We have seen so many varieties of birds, isn't it? What are the varieties of birds we have seen? Some varieties of birds we have seen near to our houses, zoo, park and some other places, isn't it? Okay, I say some names of birds. Pigeon, eagle, vulture, crow, sparrow, hummingbird, duck, kiwi, penguin, etc. And so many birds are have. Okay children, today we are going to see some varieties of birds and how the birds fly and how its structure we can learn today. Okay children, let me move to our lesson. What is the picture has given? You see birds. What the birds are doing? The birds are flying in the sky, isn't it? Children, take your textbook page number 27. In that, discussion between mother and her son. Discuss something about birds. What they have discussed, let me see. First, Rahul is asking to his mother, Mom, look at our room. Sticks, leaves, thread, papers are lying here and there. Who is throwing these things here and there? Like that, Rahul is asking to his mom. Mother is telling, Don't worry, Rahul. It is these tiny sparrows who are behind this mischief. They are trying to make a nest on the Alimar. Okay, Rahul is telling that, but why do they need to make nesters? They can live comfortably on the trees. Like that, Rahul is telling. So, suddenly, mother is telling that, I shall tell you everything about the birds. Let's go to the garden. Birds are beautiful and special creatures. They are found everywhere throughout the world. Like that, his mother is telling to Rahul. Okay, children, let me move to our lesson. Are you ready? Yes. You are eagerly waiting to know about birds, isn't it? Good. Okay, what's the picture has given? You see? What's the picture? One bird, isn't it? Where is the bird is sitting, children? The bird is sitting in the nest. This is the nest. You see? Where are you living? You are living in your house. Isn't it? Like that. Nest is the home of that bird. Okay. How birds fly? Birds have a specially designed streamlined means boat like shape. Okay, boat like shaped body with hollow bones which make it light in weight. Light in weight means have hollow bones having less weight. Okay, they have flight feathers which help them to fly and down feathers which keep their body warm. How it's fly? With the help of feathers. You can see the bluebird here. Bluebird, it's have feathers. It can help them to fly and keep their body warm. Okay, children, how the birds fly? With the help of feathers. You can see in this picture, what are the birds doing? The birds are flying in the sky. Children, how the birds flying? Birds are flying with the help of feathers. Isn't it? Yes. Okay, children. Birds move their wings up and down. Birds move their wings up and down while flying. These movements are called upstroke and downstroke movements. Upstroke and downstroke movements. Okay, we can see the picture. Here you can see the birds flying in upstroke and downstroke movements. Forward and forward, upward, hovering, backward position also the birds can fly. Okay. Next, flightless birds. What is that? Flightless birds. There are some birds which are very big in size and heavy in weight. They have wings and strong feet, but they cannot fly at all. Such birds are called flightless birds. Some birds have wings, but it is in heavy in weight, but it cannot fly. Okay, for example, ostrich, emu, kiwi, penguin, etc. You can see in this picture penguin and kiwi, isn't it? How the penguin walk or fly? You can see in this picture. You see? What's the video is there? What's the penguin is doing? The penguin is walking very nicely, isn't it? You can see the penguin, it has wings and strong feet, but it cannot fly. Isn't it, children? How does it looks? It looks very beautiful and it is walking very nicely. Isn't it? Good. Next, you can see the kiwi bird. It's a bird named kiwi. It can run, walk, but it could not fly. Okay, isn't it? Okay, today we are going to learn some new words. First one, you see, streamlined. What is that? Streamlined. Hooked. Beak. Sizzle. Upstroke and downstroke. It's a flightless. Okay. Next, children, today we can learn some bird's name. You see, it's a bluebird, penguin, vulture, pigeon, hummingbird, kiwi, eagle, sparrow, swallow, duck. Okay, children, let me move to our activity session. Write new words 2 times. Write bird's name 2 times. I have given in before pages, isn't it? Okay, that you want to write it 2 times. Next, draw beak of woodpecker. We have seen the woodpecker beak, no? Yes, that you want to draw it nicely. Do it in your homework note and send it to me. Okay, students, we will meet in next class. Thank you.